Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fill friend bar on Monopoly Go. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to fill up the friend bar when you're inviting someone on Monopoly Go here, well, there are a few things that we need to understand. So typically when you open up Monopoly Go and go to your friends tab at the bottom right here and click on invite, you should see this what we call the friend bar. Now, the thing with friend bars here is you can only complete or get the rewards here if you invite people that haven't played the game before. So, meaning you are inviting new players into the game. And if they do accept your invite, typically you'll get some progression in here. Now, the maximum amount of friends that you can invite here is around 10 friends. If I'm not mistaken, if you've successfully invited one person, you'll get the first reward, which is it depends on the current season. Sometimes it's dice, sometimes it's cards or packs, or sometimes it's going to be this token here. Now, how do you exactly invite friends? Well, you could either invite them via Facebook, or if you click on the invite that has that link icon or the yellow button here, you'll have the option to invite different or invite people from different platforms. Like, for example, you can maybe invite them via message, you can invite them via email, via Instagram messages, or whatever. So basically, these are different ways for you to invite people. Now, if you want to see what's your link or what's the link that you are going to send to your friends here, you can also click on the copy button you see at the very top here. It's going to copy that for you. But if you click on the option here, this is just a quick tip. If you want to just see the link, well, you could just choose notes instead. And typically in here, you should be able to see the link in here. So if you just want to copy that and share that directly to your friends, you could go ahead and do that. And again, you need to invite people that haven't played the game before in order for you to get some progression into the friend bar. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.